Best Universal Docking Station Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular computer laptop docking stations in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this docking hub so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this docking station. The one that made our list is the Hiearcool USB-C laptop docking station. With this docking station, you can expand up to 3 monitors at the same time, including 2 4K HDMI ports, as well as a VGA port. This is an 11-in-1 docking station that includes multiple ports, USB slots, and card slots for all your different needs. Its 3.0 smart charge design charges your devices in ultra quick time while preventing overcharging. There's also voltage regulation and temperature protection to keep your devices protected and safe. It features ultra-fast data transfer for superb gaming performance, stunning streaming videos, and excellent working performance. To check out the full specs of the Hiearcool USB-C laptop docking station and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/bestdockingstation. Here's a quick video demo of how to use this docking device. So there you have it, the Hiearcool USB-C laptop docking station. Considering its ease of use, the quality of this device, and its overall functionality, we feel that this docking hub is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Hiearcool USB-C laptop docking station and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/bestdockingstation. Alright? Thank you for watching.